Our country.
Hi Stavros, it's Lena Angel here. I don't know if you remember me, but I certainly remember you. You left a huge impression on my mind. I wanted to express my heartfelt gratitude for the outstanding service you provided to my daughter Abby.
I was a little bit nervous, but the attention to detail and the care you provided me just really eased my travel, really put myself and my mother at ease.
Your compassionate approach made all the difference for the both of us.
You took the extra time to make sure I could make my connection in Toronto. Your airport navigation tutorial was invaluable.
Stavros, you showed a real, genuine interest in making my daughter's trip memorable and stress-free.
Thank you, Stavros, for making my first independent trip a little less daunting and a lot more exciting.
Wow. Wow, that's touching. Yeah. Wow. Yes, I remember that family. I'm happy. My family are immigrants from Greece, worked very hard in this country to give us the opportunity. And even when I was a small child, I remember 10 years old, I used to have a little metal plane, a little Air Canada metal plane. And all these years later, I'm here. You know, we deal with customers every day, and it's touching that somebody has taken the time to reach out to the company and to recognize us. People, you know, they remember your name if you give good service. And you know, that's who we are. We care with dignity and class and care. And that's what it's all about.